Cottage cheese casserole from 3 ingredients. Ingredients: cottage cheese 400 gr, eggs 2 pcs, dried fruits 150 gr. Preparation: beat eggs for about 5 minutes until foamy, then immediately add cottage cheese, mixing well with a whisk or you can beat with a blender. 2. Add chopped dried fruits, pre-soaked for 10 minutes in hot water. 3. Bake for 30 to 40 minutes at 160 degrees. After cooking, let the casserole cool, and you can serve it with honey or powdered sugar. Cheesecake. Ingredients: cheese 1 kilogram, eggs 2 pcs, sugar 60 gr, butter 80 gr, semolina groats 60 grams, sour cream 80 gr. Preparation: 1. First, beat all the ingredients except sour cream with a blender. 2. Then we put it in a form greased with butter, grease it with sour cream on top and send it to an oven heated to 220 degrees for 30 minutes. If you liked the recipe, click and send it to a friend. Sign up.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe please.